Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Groovez by STK Bluetooth on-ear headphones. What we have here is the BTHS800 model. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. On the sides, you see the specifications of these headphones and the features. At the back, you see a user guide for the headphones and some labels indicating what each button does. Now let's open up the box. On opening up the box, you see a black bag which you can use to carry around the headphones. It's got a tag on top using which you could attach it to your backpack if in case you're traveling. Now let's open up the bag. Inside the bag you have the headphones themselves, the 3.5mm audio cable, a micro USB charging cable and a user manual. Now coming to the headphones. These headphones seem to be of a pretty decent build quality and it's got a glossy finish. These headphones are not flexible. They are retractable and is reinforced by steel. The ear cups are not rotatable either. The cushioning on the ear cups is soft, but it is not that thick. The cushioning on the headband, however, is pretty decent. These headphones are foldable as well, which makes it easy to carry around. On the right side of the headphones, you have a button which allows you to play or pause music or end calls. On the left side, you have the buttons which allow you to skip tracks, and you got the volume controls as well. Below that, you have the inbuilt microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Coming above, you see the micro USB charging port. On the inside, you have the on-off switch and you have an LED indication as well. These headphones provide a talk time of up to 12 hours and a music playback time of up to 8 hours, which seems pretty standard with a standby time of up to 200 hours. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Groovez by STK Bluetooth on-ear headphones. Thank you for watching and goodbye.